Hi, I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com, and it's sailing season up in our neck of the woods. But today we have turned our event center into a repair shop for one of our Hobie sailing sales, and we are joined by my husband Steve and Kelvin. He is putting double-sided tape as we align the new window that goes into these sails. So while you're sailing, you can kind of see through to the other side, see what's coming, and not be surprised by any other boaters or close calls with other Hobies during races. Now, all of us here enjoy sailing, and yes, Kelvin sails too. You'll see at the very end of this video him sailing on his boat named Pasa. We selected a sewing machine with a extra wide space to handle the bulk of the sail to eliminate having to turn it around multiple times while sewing down the middle. We also needed to select very heavy sewing thread that is UV protected, and we needed to select a top stitch needle size 120. With such thick thread, actually went through a couple bobbins as we repaired this sail. With the help of multiple tables pushed together and some extra hands, we were able to set this up and successfully stitch the new window in place.